Sweet crackling rose. Ha ha. Got my Neil Diamond hair going on. That was rehearsed. Just so you know, that joke was rehearsed. I hate doing rehearsed jokes. Anyways, I just thought I'd do another talk and chat at you guys because I want to talk about something that we just we kind of partnered with Cyril on something, and it's pretty freaking exciting. It's the Keir Krew Fund. I just did an AMA with Cyril about it, if you want to watch that, but that's like an hour long. Definitely worth watching because Cyril is a smart guy. You always want to listen to him when you can. But I'm going to just do a short video to talk about that anyways. The Keir Krew Fund is a crypto ETF. And what an ETF is, if you didn't know like me, is it's a combination of several different assets, and you just buy this ETF and you have exposure to all those different assets in that ETF. Like, you know, the S&P 500 has like 500 different things that you invest in just by investing in the S&P 500. The Dow Jones has like 30 different things. Well, an ETF is the same thing. It's like multiple things you're investing in just by buying one product or one tool. Because I think Cyril, he wants to make it clear it's not a project, it's just a tool. You can choose to use it if you want to. If not, he really doesn't care, but it is there, it's available. And when you invest in this ETF, in this crypto ETF that Cyril has set up, it will give you exposure to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pax Gold, which is tied to the price of gold, and then some very solid DeFi products like projects like Uniswap and Balancer, which is something that a lot of different cryptos and DEXs use and stuff. So these are all really solid things. This is what Cyril calls a very low risk ETF. And pretty much, like, just to break it down for you, if you put $100 into this, then $20 of that will go into Bitcoin, $20 of it will go into Ethereum, like $15 of it will go into Pax Gold or something like that. The breakdown is something like that. You can go to the link that I'm going to put in the description and you can see exactly how it's broken down. But pretty much that's what will happen. You'll be exposed to, I think, like 10 different cryptos from this one ETF, and it's a low risk ETF. So all of these are considered very low risk. Low risk does mean it has less potential to go up 1,000x. This is not a 1,000x investment, but it is a safe investment that likely, you know, will 10 to 20x in this bull run, which is still rock solid gains. That is still rock solid gains, and it is safe. And the thing that makes it even safer is not just the assets that are a part of it, but also Cyril Keir is going to be managing this for you for a very low fee. Okay, I believe there's a 2% fee when you buy, and then there's a 1% yearly fee for Cyril to manage it for you. Okay, so 2% when you buy, and then 1% yearly. But the thing is, the way that Cyril explained it in the AMA I did with him, if you were to buy these assets by themselves, you would be paying 0.5% slippage for each of these assets, which combined would be like 5% slippage, and you know you're only paying 2% when you purchase it as this ETF. So it's as if you're saving 3%. So there's that. So and then that 1% management fee, that's a yearly fee that Cyril gets for managing this, is literally taken over the course of the year. It's not at any, like, you don't pay that when you sell or anything like that. It is taken a little by little every day. So 1/365th of a percent is taken out daily, which is it's so insignificant you will never even notice. But it's a way to compensate Cyril for managing this for you, because And to let you know who Cyril is, if you don't yet know, okay, if you've been living under a rock, Cyril is a damn good trader. He showed me one time what his portfolio is, and I'm not going to share that with you guys. It's a secret. It's not public information. But let me just suffice it to say, the guy knows what he's doing. He's made himself a lot of money, and he wants to help make us a lot of money as well, whoever wants to invest in this. And he's very good at reading charts. He's very good at timing the market, which is not even timing the market. It's just he can call it a lot better than any of us. All right, and that's not to insult anybody who's a very good chart reader. Maybe there is one or two people in our community that's even better than Cyril, but even that, he's very good at calling the, around the top and around the bottom. He's much better at calling that than me or anybody I know. So, and when he's managing this fund, he said whenever the market starts getting really hot, or by what he considers too hot, he'll start dollar cost averaging out, taking profit. So what that means is, like, let's say if you just left $100 in Bitcoin, it might become $500 or $1,000 during this bull run. But if you just leave that money there, when we get back into the bear market, it might go back down to $200. Like, you'll lose 80% of your gains if you just left it there. But with Cyril managing this, you won't lose those gains, because he's going to take those profits and put them into stable coins when he feels the market is too hot. And so you could just leave your money in the KKF, the Crypto Krew Fund, and it'll just continue growing. Now, it will experience the bull run and then the bear market afterwards, so there might be a point when it's a little stagnant, but you won't lose the profits that you made in the bull run if you just leave your money there. So, that's pretty freaking amazing. What's going on here? Anyways, I don't mean to make this a long video. So yeah, it's a crypto ETF, and Cyril just started it. The price per KKF is like $140. You don't have to buy one. You can buy any amount. It's like any other crypto. You can buy $5 worth if you want. And I'll put the link in the description. That link is the one token referral link, and if you use that link, one token's treasury will get 1% of your deposit. You're going to pay 2% regardless, whether you use our link or someone else's link. But if you use our link, then we get that 1% referral fee, which Cyril put that in on purpose. He wanted it to be a way for projects to earn a 1% referral fee, by sharing it with their communities. So if you use our referral link, we would much appreciate it. It'll help the one token ecosystem, and we'll get that 1% in the form of KKF, which we will hold, and it's going to multiply in the bull market, and then it'll be backing for our ecosystem. So win-win-win with this, and it's just a really smart thing to do. If you want to know more about Cyril, check out the AMA. He is a stand-up guy. He's a damn good trader, like I said. He's a developer as well. The guy just knows a hell of a lot about crypto. So he is one of the best people to be heading up a crypto ETF. So and we have him, as a friend of our ecosystem. He's a personal friend of mine, and he's been super supportive of the one token ecosystem from the start. So we really appreciate him bringing this to us, and yeah, check it out. It's called the Keir Krew Fund. It's a crypto ETF, and it is a very smart investment for you to take a look at. All right, thank you for watching.